You say you're not rich right now?
Nah, bro. Pretty much the last, bro. Fuck my shit.
It's a $50 cut though, bro.
Bro, I'm not trying to hear that, bro. Bro, we not doing this again, bro. We not doing it.
What you mean?
You wanna take it that route today, bro? Let you charge me 30, bro.
What you mean? Let you charge you 30?
Bro, I'm plugging.
So how much you about to pay?
15, bro.
You sound crazy. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
You are watching a master at work.
Yeah, get that bitch in the cause I don't wear way. You don't measure when you from the slam way. I can rise to the trip with the same face. I love I never chasing the same day. Till I'm popping my bubble, need dance space. I'm on 50 cent color as planting. Rich bitch with me out to the Hamptons. I press beyond the black and be camping. Fuck a man on a regular man. Say keep a drum like he play for a band. 85 minimum to cover my pants. Cause I got gas inside my switch.
To leave her, but I do better all by myself. Touch they soul, they gave me the key. I got them hanging from.
Need my shit last, bro.
You say you're not rich right now?
Nah, bro. Pretty much the last, bro. Fuck my
It's
shit.
a $50 cut though, bro.
Bro, I'm not trying to hear that, bro. Bro, we not doing this again, bro. We not doing it.
What you mean?
You wanna take it that route today, bro? You just want
Just cause you want me, I'd charge you 30, bro.
Bro, let you charge me 30, bro.
What you mean? Let you charge you 30?
Bro, I'm plugging.
So how much you about to pay?
15, bro.
You sound crazy. You sound absolutely crazy, bro. You done lost your goddamn mind.
You know what I said, bro. All I want is the edge up, bro.
You don't want edge up, bro. You see what I had for it, bro. Show me the picture you just showed me again. See what I had for it. See what I had for it, bro.
You say anything else, bro?
At this point, you know, like I might gotta get rid of this.
Like he just died. Yeah, but next time, bro, we had 230, bro. Not 250. Not 245. You better be here early next time. You hear me? You hear me, little nigga?
You hear yourself?
You hear me, little nigga?
You hear yourself?
You better be here early, nigga.
You talking to the Don, nigga.
Oh, don't hit the beat. No, okay.
Oh, you never parked on that side, bro.
Dang, that ain't no fiend.
That is.
No, ain't no fiend right there, bro. She looked kind of quick, bro.
Why you park on the other side of the street?
Yeah, bro. I'm a law-abiding citizen, bro. I park where I want to park. Think I'm all right.
You gonna get that law-abiding citizen ass car towed.
Yeah, my car gets towed, it's gonna be real. Hey, they can tow my car, and I'll go back and get it, nigga. Next hour.
Next hour.
I promise you.
That's how
They
your
tow my
pocket's
car, will
looking.
give me a rental.
That's how your pocket's looking right now.
Something like that. They charge 100 though, nigga. That's what that must be crazy.
Yeah, bro. What you mean? It must be crazy, nigga.
I'm talking about like the storm, hell yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah. That's right. Niggas probably done lost their houses and shit.
Hell yeah.
Niggas probably lost mad shit, bro. In reality, we got shit good here, man.
Take a level 20. I be getting sleepy as a bitch in this shit, bro. You gonna get the gun license?
Yeah. Eventually.
Yeah, we all get the straps, bro. Can't get these bitches like the Navy.
You got some more emotion. What's wrong with you, bro?
I'm on 3 hours, bro. I was looking crazy.
Huh?
I was looking crazy just like you thought I was about to pass out or something.
Yeah, bro. Thought you was selling it, bro.
That nigga said I thought you was selling. Nah, purple one for that? Why the fuck everybody keep beeping and shit? I might use this to the razor, bro.
Huh?
No razor. Only on my face.
No razor?
Yeah, no razor.
On here?
Yeah, I'm doing razor.
What you mean?
On my edge, no razor.
Why?
It take too long to grow back.
What you mean it take too long to
I
go?
don't like razor. My face. You just don't my face.
I ain't gotta put it on your face. I can just put it on your head.
I'm talking about alright, bro. What's that?
I ain't got to, bro.
What I say, bro? Put no damn razor on me.
That's what make the lineup crisp, though, bro.
That's for the Puerto Rican niggas.
Alright, bro. Oh, yeah, sir.
But you wasn't fucking my hairline, never want me born, bitch.
You went to past barbers. This is your first
Nah,
time.
nigga. This my first time, nigga. I've been coming to you my whole life.
Yo, what you lying for, bro? Yo. Come on, bro. You selling, bro.
I'm tired, bro. I'm fucked. I'm CB's a bitch, bro. I gotta give me a nut, bro.
Is anybody in there? Fucking last time we do this.
Someone took his talent to a new level.
So what?
You done take your talent to a new level, boy.
Dawn?
They put him on upper echelon.
Or what?
His barber shit.
I ain't got nothing but time.
Now you been snapping. That nigga snap on. We're about to have it. But you're not supposed to be being asleep, bro.
Okay. Man, you know me too good, bro.
Nigga out here using advanced technology. Yeah, I ain't got things that leave me alone. I'm not paying that shit.
All y'all do is lie about some shit y'all got. You want to get a little better? What more do? Yeah, you was saying you gotta do some shit, so don't worry about it. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, you was doing some shit, y'all know who's doing that shit, right? You said we gotta have shit. So I'm about to take my shoes for it. In my pocket. If you did that right now, I was about to take his shoes for it. You were real shit, I was gonna have to stop you for it.
Sounds weird, man.
It is, man. See you in a couple months.
Right.